Hello, how we doing? We having a good day wherever you are? Oh, been a little while, not too long. It's over a week apparently since I last streamed. So I wasn't going to stream today, but I decided I shall because I started feeling like I might be able to do it for a little bit. We'll see. We shall see. Now, I've just over the last weekend released a new patch for A-Spec First Assault. And with that, I can now focus on the campaigns, which I don't want to spoil, but one of the things we're going to do is assaulting the depot and blowing up some crates. Much like we did in Absolute Territory and the X-Wing versus TIE Fighter, or X-Wing or TIE Fighter, one of them two had that. Of one of their missions, so borrow from my classics. This is our crate. It's a fairly large crate, and I've already exported it, tidied it up because there was a lot of loose edges with no faces in it. Other than that, it's decent looking one. I'm not sure about the quality of the texture on it up close, but I think this is generally as close as we'll get to it, maybe from a camera perspective. Or it might even look like that, or that, or like that. Hopefully not like that. Goody. So, tidied it up, scaled it, applied rotations as you do in Blender, exported it ready for Unity. At the moment, I go in here. Suppose I could start clearing the stuff that is texture packed out here. And it's under the MB4 operator. Bring that in there. Is all its textures. I thought I dragged them in. Better not. Well, that's the basic diffuse texture. Materials. I'll have to drag this one in. There you go. basic looking stuff. It's just a placeholder really until I get everything the way I want it in this mission. Model. And then sort of gonna be like an asteroid, but no. What's this? An asset of space vessel. I'll just call it that for now. And then yeah. And then another variant. Let's go to container and then not gonna have that. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that. It does have radar profile. We'll keep that in here. Not gonna have this. It will need an engine and we won't bother with sound effects or visual effects. We'll have a thruster, but again, won't bother with sound effects. Won't need that. Won't need that. It won't need that. Won't need that. Won't need that. Okay. Reopen it? Doesn't need a cockpit. Doesn't need that. Bruh. And in goes our container model. Need rewrites. Sure. Gliders, please. Actually, yeah. Okay, and then do I need to do something with the material? The texture even? What size is it? 204, right? Where are we now? In here. I forgot. Max size, automatic, high quality default 2V. Okay, that doesn't look anything different. Exactly the same. Oh, is it just because? Metallic, opaque, this front. Okay. Or it's just particular flat because it doesn't have the. It looks very low quality. It is 2000 by 2000. And that's what we've got it as. An increase in that won't make a damn difference, will it? Ugh. So anyway, it does look like freaking old video game quality stuff. Like the PlayStation era and whatnot. There we go, it just makes it look marginally better. Maybe this is what I should do with all my textures. I just don't understand why this quality is so shit. Is it too big? Have I scaled it up way too much? I mean, look at the quality in here. These are the quality of the textures, so, you know. Not looking that terrible. Why does the model look terrible? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Get rid of bitmaps and that sorted it out. And that sort of looks, yeah, still. Weird. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know about the bitmaps doing. So it's what bitmaps limit. Yeah. Okay. So it looks terrible because of distance, and I guess maybe the distance isn't applying to this at the moment? Is that what it is? No idea. Who knows? Got to set this up now. Let's try and remember. I'll set this as model, if I can find a tag. Mesh, even. And this is a target highlight. Add the highlight effect and the just leave it at that. And needs other things, does you not? Right, that's that there. We need to define a substructure that just defines the rules of the object. The closest we've got is this. So it doesn't have anything in it. Yeah, that's the base, that's why. So when we look at, say, this one. We got a detailed glider and a simple glider. Which is honestly a bit shit. All these things I need to sort out eventually. I mean, even the detailed is crap as well, but you know. It's usable. We've got our mesh. We'll have a detailed and simple glider. And see, I think we got the engine sound effects. You having a laugh, son? And then when it comes to this, we have our definition. Was using invincible asteroid. And you got these which can actually be damaged. So let's duplicate this. Control D. And this is container. Move it out of asteroids and then intractable placement. Container comes in here, and then start making the replacements. And then rewire. It's all looking at. So we've got our structure info. Then need a type. Set up in a moment. Keep that as that. Is it a radar contact? Yes. Is it targetable? Yes. And then we need the damageable. Now replaced in there. Just to avoid crates maybe flying away easy distance. Right, so acceleration, deceleration. Not sure I'll handle that. Yeah. And that should mean it moves equally on all axes. No passive modules, no AI required, because it's just going to sit there and do nothing. And then look at damageable, and then we see that that uses this whole layer. And that it also uses an effects layer. Dying throws. It's only got a hull. We're not checking for any substructures. What? Check substructures first? Nah. It has no substructures, mate. Let's see if that breaks it or not. Disable undestroyed, yes. Swirl dying throws now. Just gonna go pop in here. Well, not got any subsystems, so no regeneration. Damageable quadrants is just the one. Give it more health. Single HP. And this is just defining how it explodes. distinct debris. It could be the same as whatever small ship we've got. So, a frigate, Corvette. Oh, but the debris it generates indistinctly, no distinct pieces. Oh, what else were we saying? This needed impact effects. So we could just use generic. Generic was generic. That one. Oh. Yeah, we'll just use that one, shall we? Like I say, placeholder. Now, which one was it going to go into? Impact effects. There you go. Ready down basic stuff. Sign that. Excuse me. And that's assigned. Now we just need to give it a reference so the game knows how to deal with it. It is a structure, and all structures are just in this thing. Container. Honestly. Decided that up. Oh, world object categories. I'm just gonna go Badunk. Taylor. Container. Oh. Did I? Ah. No, I'll put it in there. I got created a new asset ID, which will be 407. As I said, it was the next asset ID, and now it's incremented to 408. And now that should be everything. Have a look. A quick test. See what I've forgotten. E. E. Forgot about that. Right, we're gonna need a ship with some decent firepower. We'll give it 1,000, so it might take a couple of hits. I'll tell you what, let's use that. Yeah. And then on the placement screen, hopefully, there we go, container. Okay, so that doesn't place. Why? No, Visual Studio. Why would you open Visual Studio? Where is my console? Control Shift C should open it, isn't it? Double clicking on it should open the console, but it's not. Where's the window? Not seeing it at all. Control Shift C. What? Just save this as container for a moment. Find out why on earth my console isn't working. See, pops up here. Close that. Will it now pop up in here? No. Okay. Close it and restart the editor. The joys of Unity. Oh, such a sunny day today. Looks bloody cold, but it looks sunny. Wonder if it's going to piss it down in the afternoon like it did yesterday. Because it's the great British weather. Oh, apparently, no. Highs of 8. 8 degrees Celsius. There we go. Now I've got my console. I can try and figure out what happened when I tried to place it. Container, doink. Nothing. Why? Something to do with maybe the new type I've added? Could be. It could, potentially. So, see what reference is that. Mission creator assets. Nope. Random campaign, spawn action, world item control. It's still using this. Got this. Yeah. Well. I think. Get rid of this. It's quite literally the only place it uses it as well. This one place. Yeah, it is. It was partially. Which means, honestly, do we even want that? We're not using that, then what are we using? Always something. You think, yeah. Now I've got free reign to do such and such and such and such. Something comes along and says, haha, no you don't. It's a structure type. Which, to be honest, despite being used in many places, needs to become redundant. Well, we're stuck with it for now. I'm not going to faff around with it. We've got container. Even though it's not used anywhere anymore. like, well, where are all these used? What I'm doing there, it's a vessel, an asteroid is a vessel. Alright, maybe that'll sort that placement issue out now. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Nope. Because it's like the all instances or wherever this is somewhere. You know what? Sod it. Most basic implementation. Well, we'll call you a transport. Surely that would work. Nope. Why? Because we've not even saved that, have we? Take that. That's. Fuck now. I'm gonna say this is called at the time when we're trying to create a world item. References, so that's when we're trying to load. Is that when we're doing a duplicate? Oh yeah, gas splunky. Hope you're having a good day. this is on point to click. So the question is, probably going to fail on that. So let's just stick a way late breakpoint. And honestly, could it be that it is working? It's just that my dumb self has just got something else on blocking it. Well, let's test this. What happened? We select that and yeah, it's not working full stop. All right. Okay. So something's blocking it. So what forgot blocking that? That will prevent placement. How about we click here and just... it's just not registering any click. Right, and the problem is because I created that visual editor thing. Now, why would it be blocking it when it's not active? Because we look at that, and then that screen is now active, which is inside there. Is okay, great, that's fine. And then, well, we know that works. Conditional actions, interacting with these, yes. So then why would the placement screen, well, accepts keyboard input correctly, what is blocking it from being selected? So on point to click event is not being triggered. World grid. World grid. Not because it needs to be up here because of daftness, no. Alright. Great. Alright, let's fix what we broke. And I've no idea what we broke. Right panel? Let's see. Placement tab, we've got the bomb controls. I just disable that and... oh, absolutely nothing blocking there. But the items contain, is it going to be the UI thing? Oh, you really could have just been that simple, couldn't you? But no. You didn't want to be. Oh. No, you just don't want to do that. UI. China. UI. Nope. No. Well, put you default. Default. No? Why? Never even changed that at all. I got the click handler. Ooh, ads in 5 seconds. Go make yourself a brew and have a stretch, and then we'll hit this problem refreshed. We'll check out my demo. Okay, back from ads, yes. Alright, let's do it. Why? This is not working. We have our ship loadout view, which uses this. Got our parser, which gets click detection. I'm pointer up, I'm pointer down. We've got our background controller in this. On pointer enter, on pointer exit. Have I gone and made pointer click? Where is it? What? Was it not in here? Why, just losing my mind. On pointer enter, on pointer exit. Oh, that's the item itself. The individual item. Okay. We wanted the world grid. We got the click handler. Which is what we wanted, and then we got on pointer click. However, it's not calling it. Why? That is where world grid is. Not many more than one, is there? Oh, good. Just you. This is a raycast target. Oh, it's a raycast target. That is set as UI. This is UI. 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 Set this UI. In case. No padding. That's a raycast target. That area. This shouldn't be in the way. Got a Rec 2D, a mask. And that. Do we have a canvas render? Yeah, we do. Inherits. Orange. Doesn't matter. Just confirm with this. Blocked objects that will block graphic raycasts along with the blocking masks. How about nothing? Don't want any raycast mask blocking anything, do we? Oh, nothing. So how's about just go and delete that? No longer exists, and again, still no. What's there? It's like, oh no, I don't know what to do. I'm broken. Good. Right. Bollocks. That is exactly the same, so I have to worry about that position. However, the mask is not great. Why? Maybe 10-10, so why is it not 10-10? Why? We have canvas on here. Warships. Right, let's load it and see, is it even doing any? Yes. Picking that up. Not doing that. Should I then just use this? Now that I've broken that by doing that. Will this solve the problem? Right. Trying to solve the problem where I don't understand the problem. Trying to find another way around it. This is no longer active. Don't know where that is. Well, actually, I don't even need to do that, do I? Or do I? Maybe. Crikey. Let's see. What are the things that could say this is why it's not working? And we're looking for something that says, is it a raycast target? That could be just above it. The answer to which that is no, because if we're this far then that shouldn't be an issue, because that should be blocked then. This is a raycast target. How's about then we say, no, you're not a raycast target. And for some reason, it's this in the fan. Yeah, still, fuck all. That's not that problem. Okay, can we actually do that? Can we see the information of the event system? Where's the debugging? Elected null. Let's just pop that out. Right, pointer enter is nothing there. That's annoying. Current raycast is nothing. Oh, I don't understand. It's literally saying it's not entered anything at this point. Here, it's just empty space. And oh, actually, now it's detected the left side. So it's like, yeah, placement tab, and then we got this canvas, and then it's like right side panel, left side panel. Is it? Like, no, you're not clicking on anything here. Still not in. Oh, I hate this. Just why? That shouldn't be a problem, should it? No. Right, no, I just don't want to select anything there. Yeah, marker. I can't be blocking anything. Item markers container. And no. Wait. No, nothing entered. Something else. Can't be something else, can it? Oops. Drag that out there, reactivate. It said drag it out. And then oh. No. What would it be? Oh. Come on. Nice how we can see the information, but not all of it though. Ugh, stupid preview thing. Oh, there was another place you could actually see it, but I don't remember. Oh, alright. So loadout view render is what this is, and it recognizes, click on that, and then when we go to placement, it's like, well, this is nothing. You're not actually mousing over anything. Which is frustrating, to say the least. Now, if we can look at, say, previews, this here, and we'll just disable that. And still nothing here. And then we've got a canvas overlay. Again, nothing. But again, that shouldn't be a problem. What happens if we move this above that? Then still nothing. It's now detecting that perfectly fine. We move that above the wheel placement grid. So the location of that is nothing to do with our problem at all. No issues whatsoever. Okay. If I what? Right mouse, copy. Paste. Correct. Mass. And then nope, still nothing. Item marker. Ugh. Just gonna create a prefab variant of that because then we can get rid of this. Create a test variation. What do we need? That. But we don't want a render texture, do we? The render texture. Render texture? Yeah. What is it? World placement grid. Have I got world placement grid in here? No. What uses this? I figured it would have been that, if anything. What? No. Has to be something else. What would that something else be? Who knows? I do not know. Pretty sure Unity have slowed down this editor now to try and get people onto the other one, and everything just feels so much fucking slower. Ridiculous. What? What even switching that? World items tab. Oh, it's going to take me a while to figure this out, isn't it? Yes. Five-year-old code. I'm going to break it. I don't know how to fix it. Because I don't understand why it just wouldn't pick this up at all as a raycast target. Might be a raycast target. With this, that I screwed it up because that was some dodgy values. Get out it. What am I even doing? No, nothing. What it's called. Instant event handler, yes, yes. Oh, did it again. Properties, thank you. Raycast, nothing. Input manager. Is this what might be driving values now? Joystick, hide that. Mouse, green position, accesses. Nose. Doing that. What about info? No. No. Oh, that doesn't tell me anything useful. To launch it. Disabled in play mode. Da, 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 da. We won't break the level editor, but we will break the level editor. Well, first of all, I'll duplicate this, move it up here. There's now our new world placement grid area. Right, we're going to pre-vec and unpack that. Then we can go copy component. This is component. And then we've got that, which is well, copy, paste it into this. Remove this. Save that. Delete. Oh, no. I got the render, which is just this, and then we need to copy this. Which goes onto this. And we can get rid of that. Okay, that's seems to be correct. Now we need to make a change to this. We're going to subscribe to what? Do that, and then we don't have to subscribe to it just yet, so we can just make sure that this particular thing is working as it should. Or something, isn't it? Now, I'm still not sure how on earth it knows when to open or enable this game object while it closes the others. Forgotten. Okay, so now that is working. I don't know why that works and the other one didn't. And then we need to clean this up. First of all, that is not required. That might be. And now we've got 9 points click. Which is equivalent to this. So we'll just what? Pass it through? This is just so fucking messy. It can't be that. Has to be this. Is where the render texture ray parser is. But and it's not really that, is it? It's going to now need to be recast parser. Alright, recast parser. Oh, Just make sure that compiles. Oh wow. Oh, those dropped frames. What happened there? The internet must have hiccuped. Ugh. Did I have problems earlier in the week? Virgin Media. The associated scripts. The associated script, matey. Where was your one? Yeah. Of course you did. Missing raycast. I'm trying to add it back, but set to null. Set to null. But they're in there. No. Why won't it not let me set you to null? Just oh. Missing model script. No, it's not. There we go. Ugh. Serialization. If I didn't have that error, it probably would have worked when I renamed it. Right. Raycast parser. Correct, so we go. Net component in children. Get that. And then making sure we're getting that rec transform. And nothing else. Oh. Now we've got our little grid, which has got our right. Raycast parser. Then got all the items in there. And now we have to on enable, on disable. Subscribe. Oh, delegate. Void. And then quick handler delegate. And then when on wait click. I've been using the electron form. And then when on point to click, invoke, that's the event data. And it will grid. On enable raycast parser dot when point to click on point to click, and then when it's disabled we can remove ourselves from this. Just to avoid any issues. Oh, I need a quick wee. I was about to start again, so I'll just carry on a little bit longer just to get this done if we can. And then that'll be that. We are back. Okay, shall we? Fingers crossed. What do I say we need to do? Do I just sneeze her on it? Is it gonna work? Yes, I'm confident it will work. Sure, of course. Once we fix all these no references out before we even try to test that. Background, what? Why? Oh, no. That's this. Why are you being a pain in the ass? Because we need your parser. On here. That's not a raycast parser. Missing pass. Yeah, I know. Where is it? Will grid. Ship loadout. Is there a null thing? Referenced unknown. This. Raw image up here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We forgot about that one, didn't we? Background scene. Weird. You think it was that? Oh dear. Oh, we're all saying here. La 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 la. Hey, we're all saying here. Heck, you know. Why? Why? Just now what? Seriously? I can't even load anything. What? Oh, no. The level that is it just based on a name? Is that something else I've done crazily? Because I'm just a Mad Hatter, really? Yes. That'll be an answer. I'm a Mad Hatter. Okay. Open destination, and then these we will rename them in here because these. Level editor, nope. Level editor. Broken. Level editor. Level editor. Level editor. We'll have a ready time. Load. Why? Oh, we got a lot of errors, so maybe that'd be why. Again? Why? Excuse me. We loaded the... No! Oh, it's like that, is it? Yeah. Level editor. Is okay. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's just do that all ships. Just make sure that all loads. And did we have all our placement markers? Yeah. Yeah, sure. New, yes, and then placement markers. Whee! Is that me or is that? Yes. Oh, good. Fixed another problem that I had earlier. Oh, yay! Yay me! Bonus. Oh. Still no idea why it didn't work. Right, we'll get back to what we were trying to do. And call it C1. And there's no AI on that because it's just a container, and we launch it, and where's our lovely ship where we need to sort of lighting out maybe on that or not? Probably, yeah. Okay. And it's not even position center. It's got no colliders, so I'll be able to collide with it. But yeah. There we go. Whee! Fly through it! Yay! We just need to stick all the colliders on it and whatnot, and then that way we'll be able to do something with it. Knows it can't collide with anything. Anyway, what's this? Non-convex mesh, the container model. Yes. Woohoo! Oh, that only took us 2 hours just to add a container. And this is why I practically double all my bloody estimates these days. And finish sooner, it's a bonus. So we have this container model. Look at this. And yeah, it's got a mesh collider on it. Oh. Possibly, definitely is. You're bad. You're bad, you're bad, you're bad. Hope you feel bad. Alright. So we're just gonna make a copy of you, and then I'm just gonna unpack the prefab. Remove the mesh renderer. Yes. And then we've got mesh collider. Remove the highlights. This is our detailed collider. What would be nice if Unity would add a nice easy way of tidying up tags. And renaming stuff. And updating all the assets that can do that. If only. Now then. We've got our detail collider. And then we've got the cube. Which is a simple collider. And then all we do is what? Oh, it's a big container, isn't it? About what, 300, I guess? Bit less. See, so we could just do that, and then roughly so we got 71.8. Oh, let's just do 71. Is it flush, or is it above or below, or do 72? 72. 72. Interesting. Is that just a side thing there? Sticks out a little bit. Yeah, it does. Well, I'll live with that. And then whee, gadunk. Yay. Yay. Right. Here we go. Placement. Boo. Whatever. Container. Ready. Gladiator. Ready. And now we've got... Ah. Bye. Needs a bit more mass. Let's see. What's it complaining about? Non-convex mesh with non-kinematic rigid body. There's no longer non-convex mesh. Where's the non-convex. It is convex, but isn't it? Why does it not? Oh yeah, we need to add an explosion on it. Haha. And also it needs a lot more mass on it. That's why, because when we do container, did we set a mass? We did. Let's just 100,000. And then maybe I can just set the container now. Maybe that'll work. Did I trip then? Did it not load it? It must have just not spawned it. Okay. Yeah. Set it back to whatever it was. No worries. Right, so it's saying non-convex mesh with a non-kinematic. Would it be is kinematic then? But then, because it's got the mesh collider attached to it, would not take convex. But we have it convex there. Yes, that's why. That is why it's complaining, because it's finding the first thing and doesn't realise that there's another one. So we just need to remove the mesh collider from that. And then to be able to fly into it. And it gets bounced, and does it stop? Well, the rotation stopped, but Oh, why are you still spinning around? It doesn't care about max on there. We got that. Acceleration, deceleration. We did leave the engine attached. That we did. And then, so look at the debug value for that then. Reaction control. Why you're not trying to compensate yourself? So this will be the player, and then container. Velocity is what? 0? You serious? You think its velocity is 0? Yet it is moving. Is it because it should be as kinematic? I'm not sure, to be honest. Let's have a look at the... No. No, it shouldn't be as kinematic. So, why do you think? You've no speed. You do. Do I need to tag it as a vessel? Already tagged as a vessel. Then what? Me not understand, see? Supplying the rotation to stop itself from rotating. But it doesn't seem to think it's moving, even though it quite obviously is. So, it's the container. And I do just do properties on you. Oh goody. Now let's do the debug. No, do I have to do properties again then? No. Yes. Ah, no, it's just in that window panel. Right, so let's make sure we're not shooting nothing. And then fly into you and no values are updated on there, why? Why am I not seeing any values? What's an implicit tensor? Yes, automatic tensor. Will that work? Ah, automatic sensor of mass. Yes. Good. I guess the object's slightly off in some way. I don't know what though, but okay. Oh. Okay, buddy, we shall wrap it up. Boink. Whee! Off it spins. And it stops. And then I can go boink. You see a bit of debris and then we shoot it again, it goes poof. Because again, we forget to add the explosions onto it. How long have we got left? Well, half an hour over already. Let's see. Explosion behaviors. Well, let's see. I think we need maybe 2. Good. Game object. Right, empty. Explosion. And death. Explosion. No? What is it? Just explosion behavior. Just like 0. Anything to say? Death thing? No? Okay. Probably not. And then we need to see, well, what are you? Are you any good? No. I also don't want that one. How about you? Nope, too small. You. Play again. Yeah, okay. We'll go with you. You too big though. Yeah, of course not. Why would you be too big? And that means you need to be 630. Make sure you are centered. Yes, you are. And just double check. Untagged default. And then you've got the defined explosion behavior of that. Which free, I guess. Hello. That time of year where people start mowing the lawn. Must be wet though. 0.3 to 0.4 maybe. Every climax is secondary explosion. Yeah, it could be a bit too high, but you know, might not be. But I am thankful that we sorted out the placement issue that I managed to break somehow, somewhere. And that the new method that I was doing solved it, even though I've no idea why it broke it in the first place. Yes, that didn't work. I know why. Because on the death, we just say die immediately, don't we? Oh, 0.5. How long before we switch to dead from the point we started the deathbed explosion, which is that explosion we added onto it? And quick explosion? No. Why? Why? Am I missing something else? What could I be missing? Got deathbed throws, deathbed spin, explosion throws, damageable layers, venting. Well, it's this one, isn't it? We've got explosion throws, which aren't doing. Bleh. Damageable. Dying throws. No random explosions. Is it that one? Let's see. Oh. Is that in between then? Do I need... No, surely. Undestroyed. Undead. Premature death, explosions, fancy generic, undestroyed, instinct debris. What is it? Why can I not remember? That's premature. Time to detonate deathbed explosions before. Dead state. Is that... Wait for deathbed explosions. Ways to do deathbed explosions. Okay. So no, we don't do that. Then we got the maximum time on delayed. Just what? Get dying time. So we say what? 0.3 to 0.4. Or we just say half a second, you're dead. clear as mud. There you go. That works. Though maybe I'll do that. Is that going to be okay? And then I just need to disable the timer. Yeah, I need to disable the timer. You see? It's coming back to me now. So this timer is like if we have multiple explosions, so we can mess around with that. But we don't. We've only got the one, so it just needs to explode immediately. Or I could set it up, we'll have a series of multiple explosions. And last chance. Ta-da! Okay. That'll do. Oh, that was a tough pain in the ass. Well, if you're wondering what I'm working on, there is a link there for you to go check it out. It's A-Spec First Assault space combat game. Fly Corvette ships with automated turrets, gimbal weapons, damageable sections between the armor and hull, and forward and rear, hull sections. You've got to be tactical subsystems that if you damage will affect the performance of the craft. In early access and has a demo. Thanks for watching, and until next time, whenever that'll be, bye bye for now.